Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for your Wi-Fi network in Windows 11. This makes it much faster to connect another device, like your smartphone or tablet, without having to manually type your Wi-Fi password. To get started, open the Start menu on your Windows 11 PC and click Settings. From the menu on the left, select Network and Internet, then click Wi-Fi. Make sure your computer is already connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to share. Once you're connected, click on the name of that Wi-Fi network to open its details. On the Network Information page, scroll down until you find the Wi-Fi Network Password section. Click Show to reveal the saved password. As soon as you do that, Windows will automatically generate a QR code for your Wi-Fi network. Now, simply open your smartphone's camera or any QR code scanner and scan the code displayed on your computer. Your phone will instantly recognize the network and connect to the Wi-Fi without requiring you to enter the password manually. That's all there is to it. Sharing your Wi-Fi with a QR code is one of the quickest and easiest ways to connect new devices in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials.